In this video, I'm going to show you an attack that's very common that you should definitely know how to perform, and there's a different tools you can utilize for this attack to work. And in this video, I'm going to share with you one that worked well here, so please enjoy the video. Okay, there we go. So we now, this user, right? But this is actually not a user that we can see in a normal context, because if we run that user, we don't see that user, right? It's something built in. And yeah, seeing that it's running under a system context in the this bucket when we're checked for non-default ports is definitely useful, so that we don't just get a shell on the same user, right? Yeah. This user has a lot of rights. And they're a part of SeImpersonate, right? So this should be a decent, or this should be simple privileged. But yeah, I guess let's get another reversal. So PowerShell exe theme. Let's go to our shell right here. Let's put that in. We have a listener there. Let's try to execute that. And there we go. Now we are running under this context, and given the rights, they should be decently clean. So let me go to privilege again. And we need to transfer over some tools. So let's say we can try something like we can try this first. So let's try this Prince buffer first. Then we can transfer over this as well. All right. Let me get back to this. Transferred over fine. And let's do the same with this. All right. So we can try this one first. See how this goes. The file is frozen, so either it's very slow or I have to redo this. So yeah, let me kill the shell again and re-trigger it. Okay, this one is loading still. And it seems like this file got removed. So then we have to get back here. Upload it again. Access it again. And we need that key. This is a long box, but it's pretty cool. And let's see, do I have a listener ready? I do. Let's execute that. Retriever shell again. Go back to C Windows tasks. Let me get another shell as well, just for safety. So we tried God Potato. We can try it in some different ways as well. But let me just try Prince Poofer for now. Yeah, that failed. And how would I like to try to say so? This is also hanging, so let me just grab sweet potato as well. We want to try all of the potato attacks. Okay. There we go. For this work, it just took some time. And yeah. So that was the box. It was a pretty cool box, and really hope you learned something useful from this box. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and keep studying, and best of luck. Now, if you enjoy how I teach, and you enjoy this video, and you want to take the OSCP, then what are you doing not being in this course? It's over 15 hours long, and it covers everything that you need. If you're only watching the videos on YouTube, you're missing out a lot, because it's over 15 hours of content. You will get access to the VIP section on Discord, where you can ask me any questions and you can study alongside all the other students in our course. Right now, you will also get access to this checklist right here, which will cover at least 95% plus of all the attacks and all the techniques that you need to know for every single section. Not only initial access, but AD, pivoting, Linux, and Windows privilege escalation. And the goal for you is to reach proficient or at least basic competence on all of them. That's one of the things. We also have this entire roadmap right here, where there's a bunch of action steps and a bunch of cheat sheets inside all of these hyperlinks that I can't show you in this video. But once you have completed all of them, you know for a fact that you will be ready to get into the OSCP exams and absolutely crush it. If that sounds interesting to you, to get all of this in 15 hours plus of video footage from someone who has OSCP, who explains different attacks and techniques and methodologies, it's going to be invaluable to you. Now, some people are confused with the offer. If you're interested in the notes, these are the notes that you will constantly see me use in the videos, right? They're pretty much recommended to go hand in hand with the course, and I use them constantly in the course itself, right? So I think you'll find it extremely useful. That's also why we have the third offer, which is the bundle, where you can buy both of these together for a discount. I hope that clarifies things. Best of luck on your OSCP journey. I really hope this will be massively useful to you. I'll see you in the next video.